Facing a critical Windows failure due to the Group Policy Editor module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's implement the official repair path today. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Group Policy Editor module, you can find a diagnostic tool for a thorough environment check. This is the Group Policy Editor module, the library containing UI components and backend bindings for the Group Policy Object GPO editor. It is included by default on Professional and Enterprise Windows editions. If missing or corrupted, launching Gpedit.msc may result in errors such as Windows cannot find, which prevents modification of advanced system policies. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. This problem points to a breach in your Windows system files. Use the system file checker by entering sfc/scan now into an elevated command prompt, which will allow the OS to verify and restore the authentic version of Group Policy Editor module DLL. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Group Policy Editor module. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. The versions of Group Policy Editor module DLL found on generic download sites are often compiled for legacy hardware, which can lead to excessive CPU cycles or kernel-level crashes on modern systems. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. Review options for improving system stability and resource management by consulting the diagnostic information linked below for Group Policy Editor module. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Group Policy Editor module error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.